Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I'm gonna share to you an updated how to have an aesthetic laptop. So this is an updated one. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So for the first step is you're gonna download a dock. So I just downloaded this from File Hippo. I'm gonna link it down below. So just search Rocketdock, then just click install. And open the file, and as you can see here, there is it is inspired by Mac, and you can also adjust where you're gonna put it, the sizes. So after you downloaded it, just adjust it with what you want it to be or your preference, and also the placings. You can also edit it. Then just drag those apps that you want to be included in the dock. And here I just decided to turn off or to hide my desktop icons. And I also hide the taskbar, and this is how it looks like. Next is to make your own aesthetic wallpaper. So go to Canva and then just search for desktop wallpaper. There are already wallpapers that are presented, but if you want to personalize it, then just edit it, and yeah. Third is, if you want to make your Google Chrome aesthetically pleasing, is just apply some themes. So just click the three dots and then go to settings. Okay. Then just click the appearance and click theme, and there you go. You can find and scroll any themes that you want. So basically I like this marble theme, so just click add to Chrome, and after how many seconds, there you go, the theme is already applied to your Google Chrome. Also, you can edit the fonts, and yeah. For our fourth way to make your laptop more aesthetically pleasing is to download Rainmeter. Just search on the search bar Rainmeter and then click the link, and I'm just gonna link it down below. So this is how they look like, and then click download final. And then you will have this installation, or you will set it up, and here's the default Rainmeter skin. So if you don't like this one, so just you can download a skin for Rainmeter. So just search Rainmeter skins download. I'm just gonna link this one also below in the description box. So here you have different options to choose. But personally, I just like this simple, clean skin of Rainmeter. So here there's also a video on how to install it or how to set up it. If you already choose a skin for your Rainmeter, is just click download and then click install. And after how many seconds is the Rainmeter skin will appear, and this is how it looks like. So you can drag it anywhere, and you can also change its color. Also, you can edit the transparency. So here, in order to hide that settings, is I just make its transparency to 100. Also, if you're gonna play a music on your desktop, there is this music waves that will appear. I just decided to change my wallpaper into this one so that the texts will appear. So here in Canva, you can make your personalized wallpaper, and I think this is much better than the other one. So if you want to manage the skin, is just right click the Rainmeter skin and then click manage skin, and that is how it looks like. For the last step to make your laptop aesthetic is to make or to change those file icons. Just find any icons or pictures you want. You can also use those highlight covers on Instagram. personalize it, I just open Canva and then just edit those, just edit some icons. And here in Canva, you also have a lot of elements to choose to incorporate with your photo. And yeah. So after you downloaded the photo, is make sure to put them on a secured folder where you cannot delete those folder or your files. And also, if you want to have a transparent background, just remove the background of this photo from this website. And then open icon converter, then upload the image that you want to make or to change the icon picture. Then click publish, and don't forget to edit the custom size, and then click convert to icon and download your file. After you converted it, is go to settings and click themes and scroll down, just click desktop icon and just choose the icon. Open the converted icon, the picture. So in here, an example is the folders of for my subjects. I changed them to this one. Just right click the folder and click properties, and under the customize is click change icon, then click browse and browse the photo that you converted into icons. Just refresh it and there you go. You have an aesthetic file folders icons. And yeah, and this is how it looks like. And also I just got other icons from Canva, and this is how they look like. They are so cute and they're so aesthetic. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!